Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News. It's Tuesday, December the 31st, 2013. I've done my morning homework. It's been a little bit slim these days since last week. We only did one show last week, and it really has to do with the news that's available out there. We're a news-generated show, and during this last 10 days or so of the year, it tends to be a slow time for news. In the last couple of days, I was able to find a couple news releases or three news releases that stood out. So there still are some companies making good news. It's just not the regular volume, and that's why we haven't been doing many shows. And tomorrow's New Year's, there might be some news on Thursday. We are planning on doing an end of the week show as well, so tune in for that. I'm Alan Barry Labucan. I'm the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. We've got a few news releases here today. I'll start with Eastmain Resources. Eastmain Resources had drill results out from a project in Ontario, I believe it is. It's called the Clearwater. Sorry, it's in the James Bay region of Quebec. It's the Clearwater project. Had some very promising grades out of that drilling. Their highlight hole was 12 meters of 10.94 grams per ton gold at Clearwater. So very good grades in there. They had another hole with 61 meters of 2.48 grams per ton gold. A 1 meter intersection in there was 22 grams per ton gold. They had another 3 meter intersection with 19 grams per ton gold. And then their other hole was 31 meters of 4.88 grams per ton gold, and included in there was 16 meters of 8.5 grams per ton gold. And so very good looking numbers there. Just looking at their stock chart, or their stock now, and the stock's up a penny today to 26.5 cents on 281,000 shares traded. Looking at their stock chart, and it bottomed back in late June, had a pretty good rally through August, has been giving back some of those gains, looked to have bottomed in the early first couple weeks of December, and does look like it's trying to break into a more positive trend as it recently went over its 20-day moving average. So that's an interesting chart. This one looks like it's got good potential to move up in the near term. Excuse me. The next company is Trincan Capital, and they have a project on their Teshoda gold project that they had drill results out. This project is 225 kilometers south northeast of Thunder Bay, Ontario. Has some good intersections in there, some very nicely high grade, 3.9 meters of 13 grams, 8.7 meters of 7.2 grams per ton gold, 1.35 meter intersection of 27.489 grams per ton gold. So some nice high grades in that drilling. The company only has 17.5 million shares out. Hasn't traded anything today. That's the problem. Sometimes these are undercovered. And yeah, I just looked at their stock chart, and it's a really patchy trader. This company definitely needs some help on building its audience, but those drill results look quite interesting to me. TRN is their stock symbol. I forgot to give you the stock symbol on Eastmain. Eastmain is ER. That trades on Toronto. And then getting back to Trincan Capital, that's TRN on the Venture Exchange. And the final company today is Fission Uranium. This has been a spectacular company all year, and then right at the end of the year, they delivered another great drill hole, 3.5 meters of 18.52% uranium at their Patterson Lake South project. And now it looks like they've got one zone that could have a very long strike length, and the possibility of a offsetting zone as well. So this thing just keeps on getting bigger and better, and I think that they'll continue to do that. They're planning a very aggressive drilling program for the winter when they drill off of ice. That'll be quite exciting to see. The stock is up a penny today on 252,000 shares of trading. It's trading at $1.04 today. Just looking at the one-year chart, had a spectacular move from May until late August. Since then, it's given back some of the gains, but lately it's been sort of bottomed out, I think, at just slightly under $1, only traded a little bit under there. As it's been pulling back, the volume is really drying up. I think that that's a great indicator that this stock is about to break out to the upside. FCU is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. And so that's a wrap on the news. Before closing, I wanted to say it's important for you to speak with your financial advisors and do your homework before making any investment decisions. And also, it's the end of the year, so I wanted to say a Happy New Year's from the folks here at AGORACOM, all of our team. I want to send out a Happy New Year's message to all of our viewers, all of the people that spend time on the website. We really appreciate your engagement with our work that we do. We put this out there for you, and we hope that it's helpful in trying to help you find some winners in your investing. And so it's been a tough year in the mining sector with a lot of mining stocks, but I think that things are shaping up for 2014 to be a much better year, and we can get back on track of that long-term bullish market for gold and silver and platinum, palladium, copper, other base metals. Some believe that this commodities bull is over, and I think it's got a lot of legs left in it. On that note, again, have a Happy New Year. We'll talk to you in the new year. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.